going down the waterfall. 530 steps.
How you feeling?
I think we like 150 steps in. I think we got another 400 to go.
We've reached a flat point. Give our knees a little break. This is not for the weak. Oh my God.
This is not for the weak.
Hey, you need Megan knees to come down this motherfucker.
Knees like Megan. Knees like Megan.
This water is cold. It's like taking an ice bath.
Oh, wow. Hey, I can see why this should have tasted. Good thing I know how to swim. Oh, fuck. It's taking me. One of the best nature